So after creating a channel, suppose if upload any videos, each video is showing for one subscribe button. So how to adding for the subscribe button? So where we can display the subscribe button? When come in any video, in this footer of the right side, they show for subscribe button. How to add this subscribe button? Simple one. Go to YouTube channel, click for video manager. After click video manager, they showing for channel option. In this click for branding. When click branding, add your watermark here. The watermark will be added simple. Just time to remove the previous one. Add your watermark. Without watermark, we can't add the subscribe button. This is very important. Each video will showing for subscribe button. Main reason is called subscribing for your channel purpose. Subscribing your channel purpose. Click for save. After save this, they are asking for 3 information. The subscribe button when you start time video, end time video, entire video. Previous we have only 2 options. Recent update for the option is called entire video. So click for update. When playing for entire video, it is showing your complete one. So coming here, it will be showing for your subscribe button. That is called subscribe your channel button. So this is called very important for the YouTube. For every video, add the subscribe button option. That is called YouTube channel, video manager, channel option. Go to branding, add your logo. Logo size will be 250 by 250, 500 by 500. With using for entire video, using for MB of sizes.